इसके साथ ही मुझे थोड़ा और भी कॉन्फिडेंस मिल गया आप लोगों का एनर्जी देख के। सो एक और शायरी हो जाए, क्या बोलते हो? कि अगले कंटेस्टेंट को बुलाने से पहले करना चाहूंगा एक जरूरी बात। अगले कंटेस्टेंट को बुलाने से पहले करना चाहूंगा जरूरी बात, वो भी अपने शुभम भाई के साथ। शुभम भाई हो जाओ तैयार, क्योंकि ये मौका नहीं मिलेगा हम लोगों को बार बार। So please welcome Mr. Shubham. Okay, so we are going to do conversation. We need your energy to continue this show. Okay. So respected sir and all my dear friends, good evening to all of you. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Banti Kumar Singh and I am the student of Shakespeare. I am from Koduma district of Jharkhand and nowadays I am pursuing my graduation from another college at Daribagh. And along with my degree, I am learning English and also I am learning advanced diploma in computer application. So that's all about me. Today I am going to do conversation with my friend whose name is Shubham. So I am giving him mic.
Respected sir and my dear friends, good afternoon to all of you. Today I am going to do conversation with my friend whose name is Banti. So Banti, how are you?
I am fine, Shubham, and you?
You know very well about me that I am what I am doing right now. So you know very well about me that I am also fine, because from the morning we are decorating everything for our Teachers' Day. That's why I am also fine.
Okay, Shubham sir, I know your feelings and I am feeling same. So here, Shubham, we are celebrating the Teacher Day. I want to know from you, why do we celebrate Teacher Day? What is the importance of a teacher in a student's life? Do you have any idea about it?
I have idea, but at first I want to know from you, because you are asking me and I want to know from you first.
Okay, Shubham, so as you gave me the wonderful chance to speak over a teacher, so here being a student, as I felt about the teacher, but before saying anything about the teacher, I want to explain the teacher word. So what is the meaning of a teacher? Teacher means guru. In Hindi, we always say gu and ru. Guru. What is the exact meaning of guru? So the first thing which is gu and the second thing which is ru. So first, gu means the andhakar and ru means the prakash. So the person who brings you from andhakar to prakash, from darkness to bright, is known as the guru. So according to me, I think a person, if he is telling you that what is the right, what is the wrong, and you are living in the andhakar and I am bringing you in the prakash, so I think this is a very big role of a guru in our life. What do you think about it?
I totally agree with you whatever you said about the word guru. I know very well about that we are the teachers of our country or our state. They are bringing students to the enlightenment. They are just you can say that one power that you brings, that if you want to achieve anything in your life, that time you are able to achieve. So that time I feel that teachers play an important role, because when you are a children, your parents train you how to behave in a society, but they will not support you in your academics. The teachers are only the person who supports you in the academics. They will suggest you that this career option is good for you, because they know very well about you. They are observing you whole time, at least in a day 6 to 7 hours they are watching you, and they are able to understand what's your problem. And that's why I am saying, if anybody knows about your problem, they can solve that, and they will move they will move your life in a good direction. They are according to my point of view, they are you can say that power for us, energy for us to move forward. Because you know very well about any vehicle that if you want to move, that we need power, we need energy. Like that, teachers supports us. That's why I'm saying that teachers are you can say that power of students. What do you want to say about that?
I agree with you, and I want to tell you about the teacher. There is a doha in Kabir Kawali, and I think this is the first doha where Kabir says that Guru Govind khade kaku lage paye, Balihari Guru aapne Govind diyo bataya. And from this doha we can get a conclusion that when you find any confusion, that Guru Govind khade, Guru और Govind भगवान दोनों खड़े, and you are in a confusion that किसको पहले हम पूजा करें, किसको पहले pray करें, then only it is only the teacher who tells you, who gives you out from this confusion that किसे हम लोगों को पहले pray करना चाहिए. So I think teacher removes our confusion. And one more doha which is also written in the Kabir Kawali, that is about the qualities of a teacher. How can we describe the qualities of a teacher? So इससे related उन लोगों ने लिखा है कि सब धरती कागज करूं, लेखनी सब बन रहा है, एंड सात समुद्र की मछली करूं, फिर भी गुरु गुण लिखा न जाए. यदि हम लोग देखें कि if we convert all the earth into a paper, okay, if we convert all the earth into a paper, all the jungles into the pencil, and all the water of seas into the ink, after that we will not be able to describe about the quality of a teacher. So I think teacher is a very great thing in our life. And Shubham, so today because of lack of time we have to conclude our topic right now. So nice to talk with you.
Same here.
थोड़ी सी बेइज्जती हो गई, इसीलिए हम थोड़ा सा इस पे भी एक शायरी सुनाते हैं कि ये सब प्रभु की माया है, कहीं धूप तो कहीं छाया है। ये सब प्रभु की माया है, कहीं धूप तो कहीं छाया है। मुझे नहीं लगता कि आप लोगों ने इस बार दिल से ताली बजाया है।